Yeah.
We're back. Hey.
Hi.
Bisca's here, and we're gonna do some treasure hauling, some vamp treasure hauling, as it were.
Yep. Yay.
And I need to fix this screen. Somehow I messed that up.
Good
My
luck.
V. Um. Just a
Thank
second.
you. Take your time.
Here we go.
Oh, it's already going great. Same ones, Judith. Yeah, great. I don't know what you're doing, but it looks funny.
I know. Why does it look so dark? What did I do? Ah! All right.
I don't know.
Weird. Oh, there we go.
You fixed it?
Yeah, it looks a little better now.
Great.
Yes, thank you for the reminder, chat. I need to add these ingredients. Add ice cream.
Yum.
And add sriracha.
Yuck.
Yeah, that's gonna be one interesting sandwich, my boy. Hi, Nick.
Add the cat treat to
I
the
like that
sandwich.
suggestion.
Ooh.
That's amazing.
I'm gonna read the ingredients and then I'm gonna offer that. Pet treat only. Well, there you go, folks. Someone has to make me their pet before I can eat it.
Oh, you can be my pet.
I saw that coming.
You'd be expensive though.
Yeah. Hey, this shirt was like, yeah, it was pricey, but it was worth it. Yes, I know, Bella, I know. Sorry, it was low hanging fruit.
Yep.
You've spoken to the Inaba reps at work. It's technically human grade. I love the word technically in this context. It's like, technically, it won't hurt you.
I'm pretty sure that after this, I'm gonna get a whole lecture by Bella on how to properly treasure haul vampires. He's just so good. And I'm So tell me, what are all the ingredients you have right now?
Oh, good, and I need to write them down. Bisca, yeah, I know Bisca's echoing. That was my fault.
Oh.
I think I fixed it though. All right, ingredients. So I think I have pretzels, then hot sauce, then gummy worms, then potato chips, then nerds, then grape jelly, then Nutella, then avocado, then maple syrup, then honey mustard, and then ice cream, and then sriracha.
It was going all right, but then it kept getting worse progressively.
I guess it was a lot to ask for just like a, like turkey and cheese and mayonnaise. That could have been it. And Alazia's adding something new. Great. Wonderful. What do we got? Oh, we already have honey mustard, so I have to spin again. I couldn't figure out a contingency plan for doubles. Oh well. We have lettuce in here somewhere. Strawberry jelly, Nick.
He called it.
Yep.
This is great. Oh, this is great. Yay! 2 at once.
I can't remove things from the list, Bella. So hopefully we hit 10K long before we're, rummaging out the last.
Well, I can help you along. Because I have plenty of points myself.
I agree, pros. This is a banger. Bisca, you apparently found some time to add wasabi to this sandwich.
Yes. I love that one.
Dang it.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, now I'm hungry for sushi.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Oh. Score.
Yum.
And now Judith is adding something. Lettuce! Just like she said. Amazing.
Smooth.
She did it.
She really did it.
Oh, crap. The nice thing about this sim is I don't care if I get stuck. I can just keep going. No pressure. Just people watching.
You're fine. Exactly.
The healthy. There's ice cream.
How'd you get the sim? Very carefully. There's always someone in Discord. Just gotta be looking for him.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bella.
I have to be honest. Yeah.
So Bella says, "Will this fit in Jazz's mouth?" Here is where I am also playing you guys back, which is that I am not putting a whole serving of all of these things on a sandwich. Okay, example. The first ingredient added was pretzels, right? You're thinking I'm going to add 8 pretzels. And then now that I told you that I'm not going to add 8, you're thinking I'm going to add 1 pretzel? That's also not true. I'm going to add 3 pretzels, okay? That's where we're at, because I want it to be a sandwich where I can actually eat it and, it's not 2 meals worth of food, but still disgusting. I will bring the bread that it's going to be on.
Okay. Who came up with this idea? Did you come up with that yourself? Like, oh, I'm gonna make disgusting sandwiches.
And how would you suggest I do that, Judith?
Have some Tums.
Prilosec? I don't even know what that is. I guess I'm lucky to be able to say that.
Omeprazole. That could work. I have to use it daily. So
I see. I had like 9 months where I had to do a omeprazole like every day. But if I TMI, so go ahead and turn your sound off, everyone. But I did one of those services where you literally send your crap in the mail to someone, and they
Yep.
studied my gut biome, and then they came back and they were like, listen, you should eat blueberries every meal, and you should also eat baked chicken, and don't eat lettuce, and don't eat tomatoes. And I was like, what? And so they sent me like a strict diet, and they said stick to this for 6 months and it'll set you right, and it did. So that was nice.
Yeah. You only have to do it for 6 months. I've been on a diet for 4 years now. And it's never going to end.
Yeah,
You're so lucky.
yes, that is also true. No, it wasn't. So that's kind of the whole point of the testing, was that, like, people say kale equal good and sugar equal bad, like generically, but like everyone's gut biome is different. So it's really it's best to, like, get a dietitian and get some testing going on to actually figure out what your stomach wants and doesn't want. Because I screwed my stomach up originally because I mistook an antibiotic. Like it was like a levoquinine level antibiotic, and I was just a stupid kid who, like, was eating Zaxby's every meal and not really, like, considering, like, maybe I should eat healthy while I'm on this antibiotic, and so it screwed up my gut. So
Well, to reply to Nick, yeah, that is the one that I'm doing. I do have to do the low-fat FODMAP diet for the rest of my life.
yeah, everybody's going through something. So
Yep.
be kind.
And it's really not that bad once you're used to it, and when you find the things that you're able to have, you make it work. I do miss donuts.
Oh, donuts would hit.
Yeah, that really hurts. Oh well.
Oh, explain Zaxby's to our international pals. I'm trying to think, what would, like, a Brit say it is. It's a chippy place, but with chicken. Yes, it's a chicken shop. Exactly, chicken shop. I watched the chicken shop dates. Amelia de Moldenberg. She's definitely a celebrity crush of mine. She's just so funny.
This is not going the way I want it. Yes, please. But later, not right now. I know I'm terrible. Uh, I'm usually better at Sea Monster Hunt Treasure Haul, but they didn't have a sim for that. I could set up a hyper spawn just for this hour. So much work.
Yeah, true.
But Jess, how did you come up with the idea of, hey, let's make a crazy sandwich?
Man, welcome to the canals of my mind. I was just racking my brain for like a theme this year, and then I was just like, oh, I have a silly idea for a widget that I can like visually show a sandwich being made on stream. And then I built it, and I was like, oh, this actually isn't half bad. So yeah. We are starting to get up there in ingredients. I might have to turn off the channel points one so that it's just donators get to pick.
Yeah. That might be a smart idea.
Also, if you're watching right now, you should probably donate right now. It's tax deductible, and it's a really good cause, and there's some prizes and stuff. So there's a link in the chat.
And with them.
And if
did someone claim the new spider?
Nope, not yet.
Oh.
And
nobody has.
Oh. I know,
okay,
right?
Go on.
I was gonna say, one thing that we're doing differently this year is that the participants are all hoping to raise the most money during their hour. Because if they do, I'm gonna give them a custom St. Jude sloop and 2 million po and a magenta lobster. So, show your love.
Yeah.
Do it.
Well, I would love to win that. I'm not in the right time zone.
Yeah.
This is usually not the biggest.
That's sometimes the case, yeah. Didn't want to do another tattoo. Listen, I literally have a ginormous lobster on my leg now, so.
It's cool though.
And I will actually, spoilers, but if we hit 10K, then the 15K goal is I'm gonna give you guys a list of familiars in the game, and I will get 2 of them tattooed next month. And I'm gonna let you vote. So, but we have to get to 10
Did you see
to get to 15.
Femme?
No, where?
Did you see my femme tattoo? Oh gosh, this is going to be hard.
Keep a G. Keep a G.
Under this.
Keep a G. Yeah. Let's see. I'll show the other side of my piratey leg. Ugh.
Yeah, you show that. Okay.
And I got my ship back here. Ah. Oh, I see your spider. Yeah, That's cute. That's smart.
I mean, I'm the spider queen. It had to be done. Here, so people can see it. It's a little, yeah. And it was done by a rookie.
Wow.
He did a great job. One of my brother's friends, she was just learning to be an artist, and she said, "You want a spider? Let's give you a spider." She nailed it.
That's cool. Thanks, Goobus. Oh yeah, here's the other leg. This is not the piratey leg. This is like the American traditional leg. And then the other side of it is this. The eagle's like the best done one. It's very well executed. Good, Nick. Let's see them. Everybody show their tattoos during their
Oh,
segment.
yes.
Yes, and feet for free. That's right. Um, check your channel points, chat. Check your channel point rewards. I think Arumo is gearing up for a question. Was that a greyhound tattoo? No. A greyhound like a dog? No. Oh, I'm stretching now. Oh, that's not what I was referring to, Nick, but I will definitely stretch.
Have fun.
I think I slept okay, but like I had this whole plan. Oh, Arumo says, "What new familiar do you want next in Puzzle Pirates?"
Ooh, that's a good question. You come up with one first. I need to think about this.
Pixies.
Pixies is good.
Because, like Tinkerbell type stuff. That's still on theme. It's something we haven't done yet.
I would love that.
Yeah.
That would be good. I'm just trying to... Oh, my favorite ones are already in the game. There's the spiders, there's the bats. Okay, people are gonna hate me for this, but I'm also kind of on Team Hera. I really, really, really want a peacock. I don't care if it's a fam or a pet. I want a peacock. They're amazing.
There's no hate for that. I like peacocks. Peacocks are cool.
Well, not everybody likes Hera.
Well, we put it aside for today.
Fair enough. I like, maybe a butterfly. I would love a butterfly fam. That would be cute. You can do them in tons of colors.
Yeah. I
But that's kind
remember
of the same.
like the same time I started playing Puzzle Pirates, I was also playing Neopets, and they launched
Yes.
Pet Pets. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so your Neopet could have a pet, and I think they even launched Pets, which were just bugs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, Neopets hit.
Yeah, I don't want to. I had a boyfriend on Neopets.
My wife did too,
Once
and then she
upon
got in
a
trouble.
time.
Yeah, she was
Really?
like 15 chatting to boys on Neopets.
Yeah, no, it didn't work out.
You're kidding.
Oh, well, it lasted 2 years.
Nice.
Yeah, except he wasn't really that nice. That's the problem. Oh. I saw that, Victoria. That was a really good one.
Mm-hmm.
I liked yours. They should have a people's choice for that too. Maybe it's something I can suggest sometime. Oh. Well, you should be. It's a really good accomplishment to win one of the Easter eggs because there are so many entries. It's near impossible to win at all. So your design was really good. Well, I hope you were proud of yourself as well. The dragon skill one? Oh, I'm not supposed to say, but that was my favorite.
Ah,
I used it on my dragon portrait, you know, with the dragon eggs. That one. Ah, I love that one. Aw.
imagine that, Nick. Imagine that.
Honestly, I just don't know how they keep choosing the winners every year because it just seems impossible to me to make a choice with all those amazing entries. You had one too, didn't you, Jazz?
No, I didn't win one this year,
Once
but
upon a time?
I submitted 8 this year.
Yeah, but didn't you have one
I won one like a couple of years
before?
ago, I think.
Was that the tuxedo one?
I don't know what my egg looks like. Hold on.
I want an egg, but I don't remember which one.
Um, let's see. 2021. And they picked like my least favorite design ever. It looks like doo doo to me, but it was a houndstooth egg, and it was like aqua and pink.
Oh, that one. I remember that one. Yeah.
It looks cool, but like
Oh,
it wasn't what
whoops.
I was going for. It was like still when I was learning how to do those.
Well, that's often the case because I never expected my beach egg to win, and it also did once upon a time. And the one I am really proud of is my glass butterfly. I did like that.
Yeah, it's fun to look back at these.
Right? It's really one of my favorite things in the game, aside from the portrait background competitions, because it's just a fun thing to have something you created in your favorite game.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it would be cool to do like furniture and stuff too.
Oh, right. I missed the trinket ones. Those were really fun too.
Oh yeah, trinket's straightforward as
It's
well.
really good. Ah, I just hope
Hey,
they do another.
Scurvy, $20 donation. Thank you, Scurvy.
Nice, thank you.
Let's spin. Hi, Yago. Oh, it's time for a mouse treat and or dance. Come here, Miles.
a little while back, I used a Wayward machine to look some of the old competitions up. They also had this baking contest where people like made an actual cake for Puzzle Pirates, and some of them were really, really good. And the Christmas ornaments ones were also funny. The poem ones weren't my favorite, but but then the song competitions and people actually sang them. That was always hilarious. Good old days. Yeah, it's really too bad that Apollo is no longer an ocean master with us, because he was one of the main ocean masters doing all these creativity things. Oh, we miss Apollo. Sad. I'm so stuck. Oh, yeah. Ah, yay. I'm unstuck. Thank you.
Yeah.
That would have
It
been
unstuck you,
fun
then they
too.
stuck you.
Yeah. Oh no. Well, to be honest, I used to be in a choir. Yeah. That's not great memories either.
I'm sorry to hear that. I was in a choir from age 7 to age 21, and I loved it.
Oh, really? Well, it had both, because we did get to travel to New Ireland for just showing. I don't know. And that was really fun. Yeah, the songs were fun. We had to do dancing and singing.
Mm-hmm.
So that was nice, but just the general people weren't great.
Yeah, that makes
Did
it or
you
breaks it.
do like just a choir or a show choir or?
Well, I mean, I guess not everybody knows this about me, but music education is very central to like me as a person. Like, so I started in the Atlanta Boy Choir when I was 7, and then I moved to another
Oh,
extracurricular choir from 10 to 18, and then when I was getting my bachelor's in music ed, we were required to be in our collegiate choir, and then
okay.
I taught music in an elementary classroom for 7 years, but for 2 of those years, I was the countywide choir honor choir director. So I also was the
Oh boy.
director of a choir, children's choir, and then, um, yeah, and then I haven't directed a choir since like 2018, but it was a good time.
Do you miss it?
Yeah, I miss being a choir director. I don't miss being a music teacher. I would like to I would like to direct a choir here in the city, but it's just very saturated. There's so many programs and very overqualified people running them. So
Yeah, makes it hard to get in on it.
dude, Puzzle Pirates Choir would hit. Honestly, I could probably organize that. I could let
Oh, we should
send
make pirate songs, and
yeah, like do some shanties.
that would be
Why did
amazing.
now hold on, Grace. I didn't not like being a music teacher. I liked it, but I don't miss it because now I have a job that has like real boundaries. Because as most of you know, being a teacher in the year 2025 is kind of an impossible task.
Yeah.
So, and now I get paid better, and I get to work from home. So that's cool,
So many benefits.
right, Judith? Judith's like, yep. I mean, I'm hybrid, but I'm practically severed when I go into the office, so who cares? I don't remember it.
If we make a Puzzle Pirates choir, they could use to update some of the music in the game.
That'd be fun. Yeah, I actually the following is purely hypothetical and for purposes of entertainment and not real at all and other legalese. Um I had this idea. I was throwing like the entire I was throwing the entire source code for Puzzle Pirates into ChatGPT and being like, find the line that makes all the backgrounds in the game blue and beige, because I wanted to. Once I could figure that out, everything else I could do, which basically is, here's my idea. I want to make like a new like a dark mode client version of the game, because like I feel like everything else in the world has a dark mode. So like I would basically like rebuild the client. I would grayscale all the assets and make it dark mode, and then because I have a sound design background, I would also redo some of the sounds. And you could also redo the visuals too. Like you could, because everything's just pulling from PNG files, so you could like make the
Mm.
puzzles a little easier to read. Give them like a thematic change or whatever. It would be really cool to just like reskin the game for fun. Yeah,
Yeah, let's
Bella, that's what I
underline
figured
the
out.
part for fun.
The beige is on the web pages. That would be easy to change. Prove it. Oh yeah, that see like that kind of stuff, like really simple per pure. Whereas it's just like I'm gonna throw I'm gonna throw in my favorite song as the theme music instead of whatever.
um,
The so I've been spending a little bit of time over the past couple of months with Spiral Knights folks, like the other our
oh,
our half brothers and sisters over there, and
yep.
they they have a really big modding community, and they do lots of like reskins of all the different like weapons and stuff in the game, which I think is kind of a cool, like, because in the late game you're like you're getting all your gear, and then it's like of course you're playing an MMO, you want to customize how you look, so they do like commission work and stuff like that, and it's really cool. So if anyone knows how to make custom outfits in the game, you know, that would be sick.
It would be.
Katrin, I don't
Or
know
just
about that. I don't
puzzle.
know about that. I think it's actually harder. Oh no, Perpier, I'm not talking about like it being dark outside. I mean dark mode as in like the client is mostly like you like a lot of applications like on your phone or on your computer have a dark mode that basically just makes it so the screen is not bright white and brings it down to dark grays and blacks.
No, J Monkey, you're not going mad. I'm using a sim, and I set the timer to an entire hour so I can just treasure hole nonstop. It's quite difficult to get a full hour of non-stop treasure haul in Puzzle Pirates, even though these new hyperspawn things have made it a little bit easier. But, you know, it's a lot of work to set it up. Costs a lot of money. Yeah. Because I'm that skilled. Yeah, that too. That would suck. Getting sunk. Yeah, so this was just the saver option. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
Oh boy. Time for a new
Oh,
ingredient.
another ingredient. There we go.
Oh, we already have this one. Dang it, that's gonna get annoying.
Yeah.
A fried egg.
A fried egg. Oh boy. At this rate, Jazz, I think you're going to end up with a sandwich that gets everything on your list.
I know. Well, the problem is like I was doing calculations and I was like, not that many people have 2,500 channel points, and it would take basically all day to get that many, and hopefully by then we'd hit 10K. So I was like, the majority will come from donations, but here we are.
Yeah, I still had channel points left from like last year. Then it goes fast.
I'm eating the sandwich when we hit 10K. So if we don't hit 10K, I'm never eating the sandwich. So now you can see the you know, the importance of donating. Just do it where you remove the item from the sandwich every second time it's hit. That's kind of genius, but some people donated and they want to actually, you know, see that they're adding to the suffering. So I won't take it away from anybody.
Maybe we just have to come up with an extra list of ingredients for a sandwich number 2. You hate me right now, don't you?
No, that's well, see, because I was gonna eat another one if we hit 20K, and another one if we hit 30. If we hit 50K, I'm eating 5 of these guys.
It's just going so fast.
Yes, more donating equals less suffering. So basically, if you want me to suffer, donate, and if you don't want me to suffer, donate. That's what we're getting at.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
But kind of donate because of the good cause. Yeah, suffering is just a bonus.
Exactly.
You're right. You're right, Monkey. He is.
Is Prometheus already taken? Was there ever an ocean master named Prometheus?
Yes. And he was very mean.
Wow, you have a good memory.
I do. Well, I've been playing this game for a long time.
Mm. Has there ever been a Hercules?
No.
If Cleaver
But
called
he,
me today
yeah.
and said we're hiring you as an ocean master, I would make my name Hercules because I'd want to be only half god. I want to be half god and half of the people, you know?
Oh, technically, when you read the original and not Disney version of Hercules, he gets turned into a god after both of his wives were murdered.
All right.
And
So I'll get
he
married in
makes
Puzzle Pirates twice. And then and then I'll get Hera to ban both of those accounts. And then I'll ascend.
There are still a few Greek gods that they haven't used. There's Dionysus,
Oh
the
yeah.
god of wine and parties. There's Iris, the god of rainbows and messages. There's Persephone, the daughter of Demeter and wife of Hades. So, there's still room.
You named a lot of female goddesses there.
Yeah, there's not a lot of male characters left.
Yeah, we're going Hercules.
Well, Dionysus is definitely a guy. He's the one who invented wine, and that made him a god.
Let's go. That's
Oh,
kind of
and
lit.
Hades. I don't think there's a Hades one either,
Oh, Hades would hit.
right? Which ocean master are you? I'm bloody Hades. I kill everyone.
Oh, Pyridon says Loki.
Loki is more of a northern god.
Yep.
Yeah, developers don't all have god names because there's Fishhead Red and Bluebeard,
Peghead.
Greenbones, Egghead. They're all not Greek names. And I'm not sure if the artists have specific names.
Nemo.
Oh, right. They do, Katrin, they do. Right. They're not developers. You're right, Bella. My brain. Athena, goddess of wisdom. There could also be an Ares. There's no Ares yet either. The god of war.
That would be the best OM name.
Right?
All right, you just got a couple minutes.
Oh, really? Has it gone by that fast?
It does. It rolls through.
There I was, all nervous, and then it just flew by.
Yep.
Did you just see that bug?
Yes, I did. It just disappeared
That
through the
was
chest.
crazy!
You're
That was
goated.
crazy!
You're so good.
Yeah! Oh, that was amazing. I broke the sim.
Buzzy, I don't know, but I bet if you like went into the Discord and was just like, I want this, someone would reach out.
I think someone on the marketplace Discord.
There you go.
Did-
Jezebel's got it.
Oh, well, there you go. I should be able to send it over also, but I don't know how.
Fun fact,
Really?
I went for some reason I went manic on a new project, and I built a roulette puzzle for Puzzle Pirates.
Oh,
So it reads your
Just
chat
to-
logs and then it still uses the roulette spinner on the ship, but then everything else is automated, like the math calculations, the visuals, and the sounds.
and the payouts?
And well, how the payouts work is that they would cash in, and then you wouldn't have to send money back and forth. You just wait until donation somewhere. I didn't get
Yay!
the notification, but I definitely saw it go up. We'll see.
That's good.
But yeah. I'll show it to you guys during the break. Just
That
let
would
you
be
look at it.
cool. That would be a really good addition to the game because all this roulette drama that's been going on lately is driving me mad.
Oh, there's drama, huh?
Oh, there's so many people who want to play roulette and then they just scam others out of their money and blah 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 blah.
I see. Katrin, it was Katrin with $100 donation. Yay!
Thank you, babe.
And it's her
Me
second
too.
donation, $100 donation. That's awesome.
That's really cool.
And
Thank
Katrin
you.
gets a sticker.
Yay!
Oh, our channel points are back, which means we're about to get Brigand King off the stage, so it's time for us to go.
All right.
Thank you, Bisca,
Well-
for your hour.
You're welcome and have fun. Bye, guys.
Bye.